Okay, so what you can see here is I have some data that I would like to find the mean of, and it's grouped data, right? I have 7 times it was recorded that someone was between the ages of 10 and 11, not including 11. So I'm going to show you how to find that in the calculator, how to find Q1, the median, and Q3. So we just go straight to the menu button. I've already opened a new document. Open the menu, and I'm going to add a list and spreadsheet. And for the first column, I will call that X. And then I'm going to put in, if we recall, the midpoint of the ages. So I'm going to put in 10.5 and 11.5, 12.5, 13.5, 14.5, 15.5, 16.5. And then in the second column, I'm going to put the frequencies. So here I have, I'll just call it Y. And I have the frequencies of 7, 9, 7, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Okay, so now what I can do is I can actually go in and I'm going to add a new page. I will add a calculator page, and then I will go to menu, and I'm going to look at statistics, stat calculations. I have one variable, it's age, and then I have some frequencies, but it's one variable, statistics. So I'll go ahead I have one list, and my X list is in X, and my frequencies is in Y. So I'll hit OK. And there I have all the variables that I need. So I can see from this that my mean is 13.075. My standard deviation for the total population that we use in this course is 2.04. Minimum value was 10.5. Could have been lower than that, but that was the assumption we made. Here's Q1, the median, and Q3. Hope this helps.